It's on video.
Yep.
One job, okay?
You be careful of him. Or with him. There you go, very exciting. Hello, baby. Hey, Coops. Cooper, why don't you give him a kiss goodbye? Don't push him. Oh, okay. That was a good kiss. Your brother.
Kiss Hudson. Give Hudson a kiss.
Can Hudson have a kiss? Or are you going to do a dance instead? Alright.
What are you doing, baby?